Red 8 around the back there. Flight Lieutenant Dave Davis, known as Horse of the team, our Welsh representation. He's watched by his mum and dad. His manoeuvre's called the Goose, and it's on some British red-white line. Red 8, who went through the middle of the formation there, is 7G pull-up, forces and former Tornado F3 pilot. It's one of the aircraft that used to provide the UK and the Falkland Islands operational air defence. We have people deployed down to the Falkland Islands permanently to secure the airs of that island.